Yo, my pole's bending now.
That's what I do. Are you recording?
Yeah, but it'll be better if you do, because I don't. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I should got it.
With the double wing on.
What is this? Is it a catfish? No. I don't even know actually. Oh, that's a
Oh wait.
carp. I want to move your line. Just a little carp. Oh, never mind. That's a fat one. Holy moly. Give me a second. Recording, bro. They should be out.
Fucking idiot. So there's something wrong with its body a little. But it's fat.
No, hold on. Got him. Still got him.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, we're tripping in here.
there's line everywhere.
Wait, what is this?
Big old carp.
But it's not like. Shit,
Is it a sturgeon?
Ha, not fair.
Oh, damn. Dude, what is this? Might be
Why
a
is it like going over like that?
might be a cat.
Oh, it's true. Carp,
Carp.
big old one.
A beagle. We're counting it.
That counts. Dude, now I don't even gotta get it off. Picked up some of the trash that was all around here. There's a lot of it. That was a fish, wasn't it? Oh, yeah. Got him. Oh my gosh, he got